welcome back to my channel. Today I have Donavan here for a really fun challenge.
I don't know if I'm ready for this. It's gonna be really fun. Okay.
I talked him into doing the 7-second Taekwondo challenge with me. Do you know what that is?
I assume it's where we have to do things in 7 seconds.
Yeah, so pretty much how challenge works is I'm gonna think of like whatever crazy challenge I can think of, and then I'm gonna say go, and he has 7 seconds to complete it. If he completes it, he gets a point. If not, I get a point, and then we'll just see who wins at the end.
Just remember, as mean as you are to me, I will double it for you.
Alright, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay.
Donavan, my first challenge to you is you have to take a call John in under 7 seconds.
Oh my god, okay.
7 seconds, ready, set, go. Go, 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 hurry, hurry! Oh my god, you're messing it up! You have your time! I win.
My brain went, I was like, wait, what's next?
Alright, Donavan failed, it's a point for Sammy.
My mind just blanked. I was like...
You were actually doing really well, and then I think I started shouting at you, and you lost.
Yeah, I don't like being yelled at.
Now I know what to do to pressure him. Okay, your turn.
Okay, Sammy, for you, you have to do sliding side kicks all the way down the floor and back in 7 seconds.
And back? That's impossible.
Okay, I'll let you do just there because I'm a nice person. And you can't do like leap hop either, okay? All the way down, you ready?
Ready.
Set, go.
Oh my god. Damn it! Oh shit, I can't do that.
1 point for me.
You just get one. We're tied now. We're 1-1.
You sound so out of breath.
That's at work.
Okay.
Okay, the next challenge I have for you is, my challenge for you is to name at least 10 kicks in under 7 seconds. Ready, set, go.
Front kick, round kick, side kick, cut kick, push kick, axe kick, hook kick, tornado kick, 540 kick, jump front kick, jump hook kick.
I should have picked more than 7. I mean, more than 10.
I slayed. 2.
Wait for Donavan.
I literally was just saying, like, I didn't even think about it.
No, you didn't. I thought
like, whatever happened, it just was like, go, go, go. I have a good one for you. I don't know if you can do this.
I think I can. I can do anything I set my little mind to.
Okay. So your challenge is you have to name 4 of your video titles in under 7 seconds.
I can do it.
Ready, set, go.
10-second high kicks workout. Truth or Dare Taekwondo challenge. Why is the time going so fast?
You got 2.
Alright, I don't know my channel.
I can do that.
You do it. Ready, set, go.
Wait. I'm not ready.
You freeze.
Stretches for splits. I was like...
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, I know them, and then like I started thinking of colors, and I don't know what happened.
I probably could... Yeah, I honestly, even if you gave me time, like I don't know if I could come up with 4 of the actual titles.
This one's also gonna be one you don't have to move for.
I love these.
Name 10 things that you can kick. Ready, set, go.
What do you, bob, a heavy bag, a paddle, a comb bag, the air, a pillow. Oh. I challenge you to do 10 different kicks in 7 seconds. Go!
Front kick, round kick, side kick, back kick, axe kick, crescent kick, spin hook, jump spin hook kick, tornado kick. Is that 10?
I don't know if that was 10, but regardless, you didn't do all of them. You said tornado kick, then didn't do one.
I think you did.
You can't just say them.
Alright, no point for me.
Well, yeah, I don't think you did 10. Love you the most, though.
For your next challenge, you have to do at least 5 tornado kicks in 7 seconds. Ready? Get set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Oh,
right?
oh, that's all I said? Dang it! I keep giving you easy challenges.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
I have no perception of how long it takes to kick.
No, you don't. For my next challenge for you, I'm going to have you do a headstand in 7 seconds.
Okay, I can do it. Ready?
Ready, set, and go.
I have to hold it for 7 seconds?
You just get up into it. Time.
I was upside down for a second. Donavan Barrett.
Yes, ma'am.
For your last challenge,
I feel like I know what it is.
I challenge you in 7 seconds to find something in this room and pick it up only using your feet. Ready? Get set, go. That was the easiest thing. Poor tripod. That's time. All right, you win. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really did.
I mean, I won, so I enjoyed it.
Yeah, but if you guys like the 7-second challenge, do it in class, do it whenever, do it with a friend. It's fun to just like practice things in different ways. It doesn't have to be so serious all the time.
Absolutely. And honestly, I don't know what I want to say right now, but I just want to let you know that what Sammy said is 100% accurate.
And that you won.
And that I won.
Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you check out Donovan's channel and like, subscribe, follow us on everything.
We're going to do a fun video, challenge video there too.
Yeah, let's do a fun video challenge on your channel.
Let's do it.
Bye guys.
You redeem yourself.